Exponential expression. We are given this base 2 to exponent x plus 1 minus base 2 exponent x minus 3 all over base 2 to exponent x minus 1 plus base 2 to exponent x minus 3. If the bases have such exponents, we apply this exponential rule, which that base split taking each exponent, like here we say, this base 2 to this x exponent, and also base 2 to this one as an exponent. Remember that in such case we split the base with a multiplication sign in between like so, which is mostly represented by a dot. Then, we do the same on this one, like we did on this first one, which gonna be base 2 to power x, and another base 2 to this exponent negative 3 as it is. Then, we move to the bases on the denominator. This base 2 to power x, another base 2 to this power negative 1, plus, base 2 to power x, and the last base 2 to this exponent negative 3. If you are looking on both sides on numerator and denominator, we find that base 2 to power x is a common factor on both side division sign, which we factor it out. Then it cancels each other out. Now we are left with this complex fractions to simplify. There are two ways of simplifying this complex fractions. Let us firstly take the common denominator of both sides, that is top and bottom. So, the common denominator is 8, then we multiply by it on both sides like so. On top, we say 8 times this 2, gives us 16, we introduce this minus sign, then, 8 into 8 is 1, then that 1 multiply by this 1, we still get 1 which we write on here. Then, on bottom side, we say this 2 into this 8 is 4, that 4 multiply by this 1, still gives 4, which we then write on here, introduce this plus sign. Then, this 8 into this 8 is 1, then this 1 multiply by this 1, gives us 1, which we then write down on here. Now, 16 minus 1 is equal to 15, then 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Then, we say, this 15 divided by this 5. We finally get 3. This is the answer.